So I'm entering a chuck glider competition on the 1st of January 2016. This is my chuck glider. It's not very big. There's my hand. That's half of the wingspan, so not very big. It's been flown before and crashed a few times, so I've decided to add some electronics to it. And it should be an auto leveling system, so I've got the I've added an elevator, and there's a servo here, just a micro digital servo. I've got a level sensor, tilt sensor. It's a BerryIMU. I got it off Kickstarter for my Raspberry Pi, but there's Arduino code for it, so I've got it hooked up here. Around here I have got a boost, an Adafruit boost, so I go from a 3.7 single cell lipo and boost it up to, well, what should be 5.2 volts, but I've never actually seen it up at 5.2 volts. I think it's currently at 4.8, it seems to vary. On the other side it's powering something new to me. I don't know how long it's been on the market, but it's a DFRobot beetle. So it's set up as an Arduino Leonardo, 5 volts, 16 megahertz, nice little unit. You'll be able to see the spec on a website. I've got a level shifter there. Unfortunately, the BerryIMU is 3.3 volts. The Beetle's 5.5 volts. So I need a level shifter on there. So I've got a little level shifter in there, which makes it a bit untidy. When I program the DFRobot Beetle from my Android phone, a Galaxy S3, when I upload the code I need to perform a reset. Now these were 2 little gold pins, so I've just put a reset switch on there to make it easier for me. And I've just got a little, I don't know if you can see it there, it's just a little 3.7 volt lipo battery. So what this is going to do is, the reset position is 90 degrees up on the tilt sensor. I'll hold it there for 5 seconds, and then when the aircraft, the chuck glider, comes down to, I'm just trying to reset that, when it comes down past 0, that's when the PID kicks in. PID control for controlling the elevator. So if I tip my nose up, the elevator should go up. So I'll just plug the battery in, 2 seconds. So plug the battery in now, and I reset the elevator for 0 position. I will now reset for 5 seconds. There's a little blue, soft blue LED on the DFRobot Beetle, so that's come on now. It's on the back of the unit, so you can't actually see it, but I can see it. So now when I bring it down to 0, the servo kicks in, and you can see, hopefully you can see and hear it moving. And where are you? Ah, there you go. So the aeroplane's pointing upwards and the elevator goes down, so the aircraft will go down, and if it continues going down, it applies more up elevator until it comes up. So that's just gone past level, and there you go. That's a PID kicking in. So we'll see. So I can now reset again, going up to 90. There is a bit of a glitch in the software. I normally press reset on the switch. So when I bring it now up to 0 degrees, so I've chucked it and it comes down to 0, it gives a little bit of a flick there. I don't know quite why, but the PID does sort itself out for 0. So we'll see what I do with the competition. Thank you. Bye.